we learn things. Instead of learning one thing in one way and moving on to a new step and a new step and a new step, try to make the most of the thing you already know, right? The whole class for 1 hour we've been playing with 5 steps, but it took time and when it was advanced, right? So the first thing we did was basic 2, 4 counts, then I open up. Side step for the guy with the left, she goes side step with her right. 2, turn her in, basic 2, and collect. The next thing we did was to play with the tempo, so we added a quick on 5 and 6. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Then we added a slow straight after the quick, which looked like this. We did quick, quick, slow, slow, side, collect. 3 ingredients in the slow, in that critical balanced movement. Raise, lift a bit to have more time in the slow. If you stay in a horizontal level, you will not have as much time. Second, pressure her a bit towards you more. And third, for the followers, search his right leg with your left inner leg. And all those 3 components together makes life better. The next thing I do when I play with a move is to play with repetitions. So I repeat within the sequence. We did 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Add some head things as well towards that direction. It adds a spice to your dance. So for example, when instead of going tap and be total still with your head, you can do like but no sound effects in her ear. This is just how I feel when I do it. Okay. Same thing with the leg lift and bum and down you go and go. Okay. Continuation is the third creativity rule. So if I'm hearing in the song that they will sing in a repeating way, I want to continue what I do. So we repeated the turn. We did 1, 2, and repeating the movement until the way they sing that way ends, or an instrument ends, or something, right? We could continue the 4th step as well. So we did 1 and 2, continue, and then finish. Okay? To a song.
I just need something that's different. I just need something that's ready. I just need someone that listens. I just need someone that loves me. I just need someone that trusts me. I just need someone that does me right. I just need something I can hold on. I need someone I can be with. I need someone I can live with. I just need someone I can roll with. Be my one and only. Be my one and only. Don't wanna deal with the nagging girl, the average girl. Ooh. And you the homie, you the baddest girl. I'm asking girl, can you be my nigga? Someone that's strong. I need a girl to put on. I just need someone like me, as freaky as she can be. Take it all night long. I just need a different feel. Tell me, is it real? I don't have time. I just need to know if you're ready. Baby girl, it's so steady, go steady, 'cause I don't want no. Don't wanna deal with the nagging girl, the average girl, yeah. The homie, you the baddest girl. I'm asking girl, can you be my nigga? Yeah. Can you be my nigga? needs to. Oh.